You searched how to buy shares of Tyro Payments Ltd. Tyro is an Australian fintech providing payments and merchant services listed on CBOE-AUS as TYR.ASX. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TYR.ASX to find the listing. Make sure you select the Tyro Payments Ltd entry listed on CBOE-AUS. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing details. Verify the page shows Tyro Payments Ltd and the ticker TYR.ASX before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate and choose your order settings, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the trade. After the purchase, your Tyro position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.